In this quick video, we're going to learn how you can easily turn off your likes and comments on the Facebook profile picture using your mobile device. If you don't want people to comment or like your profile picture, then you want to open the Facebook mobile application on your iPhone or Android device and then go over to your Facebook profile page. I'm going to do that by simply tapping on my profile picture right here. And that's going to get me to the profile page after this step. It's time to turn off the likes and the comments on your profile. Picture all you have to do is to click on the profile picture and then tap on this See As Profile picture. The next thing is to tap on the three dots at the top, right corner of our screen, and that will open a bunch of settings. Tap on the Edit Privacy option, and that will open another page where we can control who can see our profile picture on Facebook. And this is the way that we can turn off the likes and comments. Mine is set to public, but let's set this to only me. And this way, no one will be able to see our profile picture anymore, and they won't be able to like or comment on the photo. This is the only way that you can turn off the comments and likes. So just set the privacy settings to only me, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.